Welcome back to Andonstar's channel. I bought a SMD practice circuit board. There are many 1206, 0805, 0603, 040 to SMD resistors that need to be soldered. Let's compare these resistors. 0402 is the smallest component. Fortunately, we have a digital microscope. We can see such small components very clearly. Today, we still use a D409 Pro to assist in soldering. We first solder the 1206 resistor. We used an bevel tip to solder. Very easy. Next is the 0805 resistor. It's also easy to solder. This is a 0603 resistor. It's a bit small, but it's good. This is the smallest 0402 resistor. I replaced it with a conical soldering head to facilitate soldering. I can't imagine how I would solder the 0402 components without a microscope. Done. This is the content of today's video. If you have any better suggestions, please comment and tell us.